I am from the Environmental Vet Science program. It's basically an FFA class, and we do a lot of stuff. We have our own barn, we do a lot of stuff with animals, and we have our own greenhouse. So we do a lot of plant stuff too, so we're just learning how to take care of animals and take care of plants.
Well, at my home school, we do a lot with animals too, but coming here, it has given me more insight on some of the procedures you do. And before I came here, I didn't know everything that I know now about animals, and now I know a lot. I can go into my friend's house and I can check to see if the cat has ear mites or not, or kind of do little exams on the animals. It's not professional, but it's more than what I would know if I didn't come here.
It's really nice to get out of the high school. Once you get here, you don't realize what a nice break it is. It's really nice to meet new people, learn new things. It really helps you grow as a person. It pushes you pretty hard. We're always going. There's a lot to do. This year's been a little laid back because of Corona and stuff, but last year we were pretty busy. We had our hands on with a lot of things. They can expect doing a lot of stuff in the greenhouse, a lot of stuff with the animals.
Yes, if they have a love for the environment or a love for animals and just want to learn more about them, I would most definitely recommend coming here for that.